It's always a great pleasure to visit Busoga Kingdom. Today I came in the afternoon upon the invitation of Dr. Kasise. And we also made a short visit to Jinja Central School and seen and talked with the students. It was a good opportunity for me to have idea about the education sector in Jinja.
What do you know about Turkey? Anything. What comes to your mind when you think about Turkey?
It produces good quality products.
Okay, very well. You put up the hand.
I've heard about the outfits, the clothes, like that.
We discussed opportunities of investment and making business with the Turkish businessmen, hopefully in the coming years. We also looked for a possibility to have an honorary consulate in Jinja in the future. So I'm happy to share with you that he will be our candidate, and hopefully we will have an honorary consulate in the future, hopefully in the coming years in Jinja.
Happy to see you today. Sit down and listen to us. This ceremony has ready the stage.
Like many places in Uganda, there is a need for more services in education sector, health sector, and university maybe in the future can be also an opportunity. It will be a good investment for the future of the city. Let's hope that we will be able to come to that point. And as Turkish Embassy, I will be informing our colleagues, Turkish investors and those who are already in this business in Turkey, that there are such opportunities in Jinja. Turkey has a good program for foreigners in general who would like to continue their education in Turkey. We call it Turkey Scholarship Program. So far, I'm happy to share with you that 15,000 students from African continent benefited from it. And from Uganda, so far, the number is 365 students. There is this opportunity, and every year in January, our portal is open. People can follow our announcements through our social media platforms, X platform especially, and our website. Whenever this portal is open, people are able to upload their documents, and when they are found eligible, they are invited for an interview. And once they pass this interview, they are given this scholarship, and in almost all areas they have this possibility. Last year we provided scholarships for 22 Ugandan students, among whom were 4 from the Busoga Kingdom. We hope that in the coming years this number will increase and we will have more students from Uganda and Busoga Kingdom. This is a very good opportunity. The Turkish government covers all costs, including plane tickets, dormitory, school fees. They will also have the possibility to learn Turkish language. And we believe that these students will be a bridge between our brotherly countries. So we are encouraging, and we hope that this number will increase in the future. We already have many Ugandans. I met them last Ramadan. We had an iftar together at the embassy. We hosted like 70 Turkey graduates. And I was very happy to meet them at our embassy.
Dr. Fred Kasisa, Director wa Jinja Central School, eriyaganibwa mu Jinja City. Olwaleero nga 8 Ogw'ekumi mbaye n'omukisa ogw'enjawulo okukyaza Oweekitiibwa His Excellency President Ambassador, His Excellency Ambassador Fatihi wa Turkey ngaidye okubona Jinja Central School n'obusobozi ekiba kiriwo okufuna abasiga sente tulininieko ku iddaala lya university. Abo tuviire awo twidye gano aye ngaakaali ku idda gano bwe tubaire ku Jinja Central School akabye nti Turkey erina enkola etwala abaana abagezi eno okusomera Turkey aye nga bamaze primary bamala ne senior, so akobeire abaana era tuviireyo nga bali ku kaweefube kubona nti babita bulungi ebigezo byabwe bajje mu senior, bamala senior babite bulungi bafuna omukisa ogwo. Nga bwe mawulire nti omwaka guno batwala Uganda 22 ng'ate 4 bava ku itaka lya Iseife Kyabazinga wa Busoga. So tulina eisuubi nti bana abataire ano consulate oba ekiketeze ekikunsu ekitwala ekikiikirira gavumenti ya Turkey bayinza otuwa omukisa ogwo oba oli awo kyaba gano kiri kulozebwa nti ninza okuba omu kuba n'alowoozebwako omukisa egwo naaba gubairewo era twidde nti empewo daadada waife lata waife Iseife Kyabazinga bwezina tufuugako oba oli awo twandifuna omukisa ogw'endawulo okukiikirira gavumenti ya Turkey ebusoga gano nga ba honorary councillor. Mwebale kwidda twenda okusiima Oweekitiibwa Minisita Helen Namutamba atwala ebyobulambuzi mu gavumenti ya Iseife Kyabazinga. Twenda n'okusuuma mukaire waife Oweekitiibwa Ekisengedde Maama Dr. Rebecca alitwala Kadaga agomye omutwe ino mu nsonga eno era neyakuba Oweekitiibwa Ambassador akaama nti ebusoga n'okusingira mu kibuga ky'Idinda eri mu aide ebyokusomesa nga tiwundi aye Dr. Fred Kasisa lwakuba tutambwire naye emyaka egigera 2 mu nsonga z'okusomesa abaana ebusoga ano. So twongera okumusiima era twegayire mutonzi asigale nga akamutulekeirewo okwongera okusakira Busoga eno kuba kyetuyidde nti ni scholarships zino eda Turkey yadigoma mu mutwe ni bano abaide okusuubula muno n'abasiga sente bonabona abagemaku okuyida Idinda eno. So tulina eisuubi nti empulizaganya eyo nga bwe kitandise nti twotairewo olutindo twidde nti Busoga eida kufunamu era abantu ba Busoga bakyuseeku mu mbeera y'enfuna. Mwebale irala nsigaire nga nize Dr. Fred Kasisa.
Ndikwenda twala omukisa guno okwebaza His Excellency Fati Ambassador wa Butuluuki okumwebaza okwidda aidye twamulaga wetujja okuta ebyuma inumaawo batuwa ebyuma ebijja okuba nga bikola pad ed'abawala ne sabbuuni batuwa ebyuma ebyokola amapeesa betwawa ekibiina kyaife ekyawaidde ekyabakyala abazira bwasirizi. Olwaleero Maama Kadaga antumye okukulembera Ambassador okumuleeta okulambuula ebifo ebyokusigamu esente. Yakobera omukaire Kadaga nti alikwenda kuinvestinga mu education ni mu hotels. So bwetwidye isomero lyetugiireko libeire Jinja Central erya Dr. Kasisa Fred. Isomero inene lirina nga 15 acres ate already liri established. Era asiimye ko byajja kuandikira gavumenti ye basobola okwidda bagemaganye ne government eya wagati akobya ja meeting Mama Janet amukobera about the developments so that they turn the school into an international school. Then ni hotel akobye the hotel I think it's in Uganda yona akobye baidajayo babone. Then tuchaira kunewe ngayo muwulire nti betaaga candidate ajja okuba representative wa Jinja City and Busoga to Turkey. So he was one of the candidates, Dr. eyalondebwa ali omu ku ba candidates eriyo ni ba candidates abandi already abali abasubmitting baliyo, so but is one of them. Twenda okwebaza iseife kyabazinga olw'emikwano gino, okwebaza Mama Kadaga olw'okuba nti ono mukwano gw'ino era buli kimu kyagire nga atukolera Busoga. Mama Kadaga amala kumusaba n'okwebaza Dr. Fred Kasisa for investment detubwoineku ediriwo. He has really done well being a pensioner. Kitulaze nti woba olikola okola nga okola kwetegekera. So bidaja bulungi mwebale ino. We are taking him to Itanda Falls. Alikwenda kubona ku MAD kubanga ba investors baina they want to invest in 2 hotels and schools. So mwebale ino kutambula nefe Abasoga. Katonda mulungi nti Mama Kadaga asakire Busoga.